here we go. Our sleepy little Caribbean town. We're leaving and had our coffee at the little cafe. All the hikers are just getting their breakfast and then they're on their way. It's gonna be a hot day today. It's supposed to be up to 26 or something, so definitely a little warmer than we're used to in the morning, but that will be very pleasant for sure.
And we're on our way to Lisbon. So we got to do the slab today and then the city. So I'm never looking forward to driving in the city, but we'll see how it goes.
Okay, once again we were happy to see the gas station come along. See if we can figure out if we have to go in and pay first or not. We don't always know. As long as it's not diesel, yeah. Oh, okay, got to prepay. Always a bit of a challenge to get the gas to work.
Gary's getting her earplugs in. The highway's pretty loud. We're like 60k out of Lisbon and it's warm.
Here at the toll booth before the April 25th bridge. Don't really know what we're doing, so we're waiting when it shows a person. We're just in Belém right now. We're gonna go see some of the sites here before we can check in. We originally parked here, but the tram just went by. You can see the tram line. And it was really, really close to the back of Pepe. So we're gonna move. This looks better. Seems to be quite a lineup for this place. All the way back there. And all the way, I think this...
She's not getting in the line, that'd be glad.
Yeah.
Don't do lines like that.
I think this must be the monastery. This monastery was built in the 16th century to celebrate the Age of Discovery. This was a time when extensive maritime expeditions were launched, and it really opened up the global sea routes, which ultimately shaped the world history. The monastery was voted one of Portugal's 7 wonders. So this place is the original pastel de Belém's here. It's supposed to be quite good. So we might attempt to get ourselves in here. These custard tarts were recreated right here in Belém in 1837 from a secret monastery recipe.
They're awesome. Oh man, you gotta buy them there. Get the big line of people.
This is the Monument of Discoveries, built to honor Portugal's Age of Discovery. There are 32 sculpted figures, which are Portugal's great explorers, navigators, and patrons. It sits on the shore of the Tagus River. This was a departure point for many of Portugal's great voyages. A short walk down the shore takes us to the Belém Tower. It was built in the early 1500s, and it was originally built to guard Lisbon's harbour entrance and protect it against invasions. In the 17th century, the lower chambers were repurposed as dungeons. This is another of Portugal's 7 wonders. Getting out at Belém. I'm gonna go find our accommodation in Lisbon.
Going up the hill with the tour bus. Train tracks that crisscross in your lane. Loving it. Just loving it. This is every bit of unpleasant. Got cobbles and a train track. Holy.
On November 1st, 1755, the Lisbon was struck by one of history's deadliest earthquakes. There was a massive tremor, followed by a tsunami, and then raging fires. It destroyed most of the city and killed tens of thousands of people. So we're out pretty early to do our little tour of Lisbon. It's pretty cool out this morning still.
Not
and
cool, like it's cool. It's like
Glenn says he's cold, but I'm only in my t-shirt. This was built by a student of Eiffel who built the Eiffel Tower. The lift is closed right now, but this is the viewpoint at the top of it. This is a sardine store. Check this out. They even have a sardine Ferris wheel. They're serious about their sardines here.
This hotel is completely covered in tile.
Of course, we had to stop for a pastel de nata, and these ones were fresh.
These ones are steamy hot.
Well, we missed the funicular, so we just thought, well, let's just walk up it, which is actually not very far.
I think you could walk up faster. Well, if you walked, you probably could get there just as fast as the funicular.
Yeah, I think so.
It's just up there.
But it is kind of cool. It somehow they counterweight each other. The one going down pulls the other one up. They have cables underneath this track. Lisbon is built on 7 hills, so there are many great lookouts. Some kind of race going on. All these roads are blocked off. Google Maps has them all closed, and there's police all over. So I think they're having some kind of a race. I think we're in the Barrio Alta district right now, up on top. Heading over toward the castle, seems to be quite a few of these leading us this way, and more of these. Getting up on the hill where the castle is, it's just behind us here. We're not going into this castle, but there's a big lineup, so you have to really want to go in. Lisbon's medieval castle actually survived the earthquake in 1755, largely because it's on the tallest of the 7 hills in Lisbon, and it was built on solid stone, and it was up high enough that the tsunami did not damage it. Really busy up in this section of town. We just did a little hike to find the world's oldest bookstore, but it's very elusive.
So old, can't find it.
I think maybe it wasn't open and there's no signs on the outside of it. So we're just gonna make our way back. Okay, we're trying to get one street over and there's not really any streets, so there's this elevator. We're not sure where it goes, but we'll check it out.
Let's go to floor 1.
I'm not sure.
Zero's probably.
0. I guess we'll see. People did get off. It just looked like touristy people.
That's a long piano. Normally you don't get to see all the
No, the inner workings of an elevator.
guts.
Check that out. Oh yeah, it's going down to the street below.
Here we are.
Well,
Sink dust and walk.
this is the street we wanted. How perfect is that? This is what it looks like on the outside, and you would never know it was. Oh, it says up there that it's an elevator.
Oh, yeah,
I guess
elevators.
if you looked up, but who's looking that high up?
Gotta look up.
I guess I don't know where I am. I thought I did, but maybe not. So some nice little snacks. We'll take those up to the room. After our little snack and a little siesta, we headed back out. This is the famous Pink Street in Lisbon. A little crazy down here, a little loud, but of course you have to go by it and check it out.